In a major blow to builder group Supertech, Supreme Court directs demolition of two 40-floor towers built by it in one of the housing projects in Noida. The top court says construction of the two towers containing almost 1,000 flats was done in violation of rules and therefore must be razed to the ground within 2 months by Supertech at its own cost. Supreme Court also directs Supertech to refund the money of all home buyers who had booked flats in these two towers with interest and within 2 months, and also pay 2 crore rupees to the RWA of the Housing Society. Meenakshi joining us on the phone line. Meenakshi, this is again going to set a very important precedent for all those builders who unscrupulously try to dupe people of their money with tall promises of handing over flats, which never happens on time, and then litigation, of course, is often given as a reason for not returning their money. Now, some of those issues perhaps existed in this case as well. Tell us, what has the court said in this order?
Well, that's right, Prida. You see, this will be a massive setback for Supertech and also set a precedent insofar as collusion with authorities for what the Supreme Court has viewed today as illegitimate constructions is concerned. This is a bench led by Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice M.R. Shah, which has upheld a 2014 earlier verdict of the Allahabad High Court, which directed the demolition of the 40-story twin tower buildings of Supertech Limited's Emerald Court project. And the Supreme Court bench today ordered the demolition of the twin towers. It should be completed within 3 months, and the builder also has to bear the expense for the same. Importantly, the Supreme Court ordered that all flat owners in the twin towers should be reimbursed with 12% interest, and the court passed this order today after it concluded that the sanction given by the New Okhla Industrial Development Authority, Noida, in November 2009 for the construction of the twin towers was violative of minimum distance requirements and National Building Code. The top court went on to state as to how this case was replete with instances of collusion between the Noida authorities and the builder, and the illegal construction of the twin towers was achieved as a result of such collusion. The Supreme Court made a pertinent observation, and I quote, the record of this case is replete with instances which highlight the collusion between the officers of Noida with the appellant and the management. The case has revealed a nefarious complicity of the planning authority in the violation of developer of provisions of law, unquote. So this is clearly something which the Supreme Court has viewed with a lot of displeasure, and as a result of which this particular order has come by today from the Supreme Court directing for Supertech to really take down these two towers in 3 months' time and also bear the expense of the same.
Yes, and this should send a message to all builders across the country, because often enough this nexus that you just mentioned between the builders and the corporators or civic authorities is something that is often reported. The Supreme Court coming down heavily on this aspect and also asking for refund of the money for those who paid for these flats. Thanks for joining us, Meenakshi, with the latest inputs.